Do you know?
Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Chris bringing you some Madden 23 franchise mode gameplay. I'm playing the trial, and I went right into franchise mode. I am rebuilding the Seattle Seahawks, and I've already made some key trades to my team, as you'll see once we get into the game. I made some very big moves to get some really good players, as you'll see here in a minute. I was able to snag Nick Bosa by giving up my free safety and a couple picks. So now our big three is that. And I also got Jimmy Garoppolo. And we're going against Russell Wilson. Let's go. Now I have a decent quarterback. Here we go. Yeah, let's go with them classic jerseys. Let's go with the classic jerseys. Nah. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, hold on. Well, those are not my playbooks. I'll have to go get some better playbooks later. I'll have to worry about that later. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay. Please drop a like and subscribe if you want to see some more Madden 23 franchise mode. Rebuilding the Seattle Seahawks with Jimmy Garoppolo as our quarterback because I got him off a trade. And I got Nick Bosa from the Niners. So, had to give up some really good picks to do that, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. And I had to give up Diggs, our free safety, too. But, you know, I don't really care for Diggs as much as other people do, so. Alright, here we go. Oh, shit. That is not good. Come on now.
And here comes a return from just beyond the goal line. And he stopped right around where he would have been had he gone down to a knee, maybe a yard shy of there at the 24.
Hold on.
Here's Russell Wilson, 11 seasons.
Here we go. We're going against Russell Wilson.
They wanted to bring in a quarterback who was durable, consistent, and a proven winner to take a talented roster back to the postseason. And Russell Wilson, he was all of those things in Seattle. One losing record in 10 seasons.
Let's go, 56. That's Brooks. Let's go.
They wind up getting a yard on the game's first play at second down. Now Wilson.
What a shit throw, Russ.
These fans here in Seattle getting the chance.
Oh, I also picked up Clowney off a trade, too. So he's on the opposite side right now. Oh, what a pick! Yeah, Chris Harris. I picked him up at a free agency. I picked up the old man, Chris Harris. Let's go. Jimmy Garoppolo. First time a Seahawk. Come in. Alright, so Penny fan, we picked Odell out of free agency. Let's go.
They got a chance for a touchdown right here out of the gate.
Woo! Okay, Penny. I see you, Penny.
2 yards shy of the marker. 8-yard gain, 2nd and 2. Now a first carry for their fullback.
Let's go, fullback.
Where the Seahawks are going to be set up with a first and goal. The strong running gets them to the 9-yard line.
Let's see if we can get Noah Fant in the end zone right now. Yep. Let's go. Noah Fant. Touchdown, Seahawks. Let's go, Noah Fant. Jimmy Garoppolo making a fucking beautiful throw. Let's go. 7-0, 7-0.
The kick unit for the Seahawks out there on the field, and we are ready to rock. From a yard or two deep, here comes a return. And ultimately cannot get this out to the 25-yard line as he's dropped at the 23. The Broncos onto the field, ready to start their next drive. I remember the last time out, they threw the interception. That led to the touchdown, so now time to regroup. It certainly is, and their goal right now is to get back out on the field.
Let's go! Joseph, another man I picked up out of free agency, another veteran, D-tackle. Let's go.
And they weren't in zone coverage, they were in man, and each man did his job.
Oh, shit.
And that looked like vintage, old-school coverage, didn't it? Man coverage might have been...
Where are you going? Where are you going? 34, Xavier Rhodes, corner that I picked out of free agency also. I picked a lot of people up in free agency and made a lot of trades to make this team somewhat decent.
Needing a full 15 yards to move the chains. Now on third and long, they'll look to...
No! Oh, he fumbled! 54, Hightower. Let's go, Hightower.
26-yard line.
Let's go. All right, let's see. Odell. Let's go, Odell. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go, Odell.
Dropped at the 1. That one goes for 24 yards.
I mean, if I have to, I will fucking scramble in that end zone with Jimmy Garoppolo.
Throwing down is Garoppolo.
Garoppolo, run, dummy. Oh, my gosh. If you would have ran right away, bro. Alright, fuck it. I'll just do this.
From the gun, it's Garoppolo.
Garoppolo! Touchdown! Garoppolo! I thought they were going to tackle me. He just literally let me walk in.
So a good start to the campaign so far for them here in week 1. Yeah, all the things that you dreamed about in April and May that you worked out in July and August, getting ready for this game, it's all coming together so far. An extra point up and through by Myers. And that'll make the score 14-0. The kick unit for the Seahawks out there on the field, and we are ready to rock. And this will come out to the 25 as Hamler elects not to return it. The Broncos onto the field, ready to start their next drive. And job one here, Charles, just keep possession of the football. 2 drives, 2 turnovers to this point. You're exactly right, Doctor. If the crowd goes, first do no harm.
Let's go, Brooks.
I like that. No one
Good tackle, good tackle.
Thank you, Dr. Davis. Ball on at 30, they'll come up with a 2nd and 5. And they'll run the end around here with Judy across the 30 to the 31-yard line.
3rd and 4, 3rd and 4.
Nice job there. All 11 guys on defense diagnosing the jet sweep and putting it down. From the gun on 3rd down, Wilson.
99 with the sack. Al Woods.
Al Woods with a big-time sack on 3rd down. It's a loss of 7. On 4th down, Sam Martin is on to punt for the Broncos. Back deep for the Seahawks, Tyler Lockett. Fielded at the 33.
Fuck.
It'll be a net of only 30 here. 40-yard punt, 10 on the return. And it'll be Seahawk football 1st and 10. Coming to the line here to begin.
Oh, come on, DK. Let's go, DK! DK Metcalf exposing their top corner.
57 yards. And the Seahawks are looking good here in the season opener as they're able to extend their lead. Myers connects on the PAT, and that makes the score 21-0. Well, the offense wasn't out there for a long time.
49ers are beating the shit out of them right now. Wow. Beating the shit out of the Bears.
21-0 here in the first as they kick this one away. And he'll be stopped up at the 25. First and 10 here for Wilson and the Broncos at their 25-yard line. There's Wilson.
Oh, Russell, man. If he didn't throw that ball, he was in trouble.
21-0 our score after one.
I'm going to keep it in man coverage.
37 on first and 10. Now we give up the middle to Williams.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
41, second down. Yeah, all any running back wants is a little bit of room, a little bit of space in order to maneuver. But he also understands how difficult it is for his offensive line up front. So if they give him any space, he realizes his job to make more out of it than what they give him. Picks up 3 on that carry. The offense on third down tonight, 0 for 3 to this point. They could use a conversion. This is 3rd and 4. To throw is Wilson. This will complete to Jerry Jeudy. And he will have the Broncos first down by about a yard. It's a gain of 5 on 3rd and 4. Now Gordon on first.
Let's go! 96! Clowney!
And this is why aggressive defensive coordinators love to blitz. It wreaks havoc because they end up taking their attention to the blitzers, freeing up the D lineman to make the play. On second down, Gordon once more. Will be taken down at the 48 for a pickup of 2 yards. Here's play number 7 on the drive. This is 3rd and 7. Wilson.
Let's go! Brooks with the sack on Russ. Let's go!
Flying in to pick up that sack, Jordan Brooks. On 4th down, here's Sam Martin on to kick it away. They'll get off a fairly short kick here as this is toward the sideline.
Let's go, man. We are kicking their butt right now.
Seattle now ready to march onto the field. A partner, coaches always say that every play is designed to score a touchdown. Sometimes that's not really true, but
Let's go, Odell! Oh! Let's go, Odell!
And it's rare for those moments to happen. Incredible when they do, and you saw the celebration. Pure, unbridled joy after that one.
What type of blocking was that? Come on, guys. What type of blocking was that? Yo. Come on, man. I guess we're just not going to run the ball, so I'm going to... Oh, I was going to do a play action and try to throw it to Lockett.
Coming up at halftime, I'll go from one personality, that's you, Charles Davis, to another one in Orlando, the coach. He'll have stats and scores from around the NFL. He and Jonathan Coach are both larger than...
Oh, let's go, Penny. Let's go, Penny. 3rd and 4, 3rd and 4.
They needed a conversion on 3rd down. They had a big play to start the drive, not much sense. Now it's Penny running right.
Let's go, Rashad Penny.
He's got some space here.
Touchdown.
Rashad Penny, his first rushing touchdown of the year. And the Seahawks continue to pull away here in this first half. Extra point up and through by Myers. And that makes the score 28-0. A drive there of just 4 plays. And it's finished off by a Rashad Penny touchdown run. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. This taking it at the goal line.
Oh! What a hit! What a hit!
And they bring this one back. It's a
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
the extra point now.
This is bad. This is bad for the Broncos, man. This is bad. They are getting absolutely killed out here.
Now as he knocks another one through to extend the lead. So not only the cough up, but then the pickup on the other side, the scoop, and the score the other way.
Cowboys. Wow, they beat Brady and the Bucks.
And not willing to risk another fumble. They'll sit on this one. It's a touchback. The Broncos onto the field ready to start their next drive. Charles, we'll see what they can do here. Not a ton of time left, but enough certainly to get points out of this drive, and they need them right now because they're trailing. Yeah, this is exactly why you practice a 2-minute drill all through camp, and at least one practice.
Oh, he's definitely throwing the ball. He definitely throwing the ball. Ooh, what a throw by Russ too. Timeout called.
Going to call the first of their timeouts, as they'll stop it with exactly a minute to go before halftime. Coming up here looking for 3 yards to pick up the first. Wilson now to throw on third down. Got a man, it's Judy complete. And he will have the Broncos first down as they're able to get the third down conversion. Wilson will throw again. Dancing to his left. Finding his big receiver Patrick over the middle. And he is tackled inside the 40, not quite to the 35. This offense finding its legs now. Here's another 1st and 10. There's Wilson to throw.
Woohoo! Russ trying to make some plays right now.
Looking to throw again on 2nd down. Wilson. It's his running back, Melvin Gordon. And they move this all the way.
Oh, they're going to have to take that field goal.
And we're going to get a timeout with 2 seconds remaining in the 2nd quarter.
Looks like Broncos get 3 on the board.
And that will do it for this first half. Looks like we'll have to wait another week to get our first halftime report of the season as we move right along to the 2nd half. We'll see if week 1 fatigue becomes any kind of a factor as we are back underway in the 2nd half.
Ooh, what a juke.
Solid return.
What a juke.
Position. They'll start at the 32. There's the Seattle offense ready to get this drive underway. Well, it's hard to imagine the first half going any better for them, CD, and now here's they begin their first series of the 2nd half. They score here. This one is pretty much out of reach. We honestly might already be at that point, Target, because this team, they were dominant in the first half, continue to be dominant now, and I think they're viewing this as a put-away drive on the way to.
Let's go, Odell! Woohoo!
Job shifting right, finding his target, and they got it well across midfield down to the 40 before it's all said and done. So on the other side of the field now, it's 1st and 10 as they got things rolling on this drive. Inside handoff, Penny. And this will leave him a yard short. Nice pickup of 9 yards on 1st down. The previous run, good for 9. Here's 2nd and a yard. Now Garoppolo.
Let's go, DK! Oh, no!
And he is out of bounds, but first he gets it inside the 10 to the 7. Call that a very strong gain at 24. They'll try to run forward.
Penny! Let's go, Penny!
Good shot, Penny. Already his 2nd touchdown here in this opening weekend. And the Seahawks take the opening kickoff of the 3rd quarter and drive right down the field to extend their lead. Myers connects on the PAT, and the lead grows even larger here in the 3rd quarter. The kick unit for the Seahawks out there on the field, and we are ready to rock. This will be fielded inside the 5. And he's up across the 25 and then down at the 28. The Broncos onto the field ready to start their next drive. They start the drive on the ground.
Let's go!
Second wave of tacklers is going to get it.
Good shit, Clowney. Oh, 82 getting pissed.
Bring up 2nd and 11. Now Wilson.
What a throw.
That's good. The completion there for 7 yards. And it brings up 3rd and 5 now. They'll need 5 on this play to move the sticks. From the shotgun, Wilson.
No! He got the first down. Gosh damn it.
Down by about 3 yards or so as they wind up getting 7 there on 3rd and 4. Now they'll run the option.
Where are you going, Russ? Where are you going, Russ?
2 yards to the line, 2nd and 12. Well, we saw a lot of negative plays that resulted in plenty of lost yardage in the first half, and that trend is continuing here. On 2nd and 12, Wilson, screen play set up for Williams.
Let's go, Cloudy! Oh, that's Brooks. Brooks made the tackle. I'm sorry. Brooks made the tackle.
They tried on offense, went for naught, didn't it? Because you have to try and influence them. Make them think that you're doing something else.
Whoa, what a shitty throw. Jamal Adams getting a pick. Wow, that was a shitty throw, Russ. Where were you going to?
Ball up to the 35 now as they come up on 1st and 10. So after the INT, it's Garoppolo.
Let's go, Lockett! Woo!
And he gets this one inside the 15, just a yard or 2 shy of the 10. Good work after the catch, going to net him 23 and a first. Looking to throw.
Let's go, Garoppolo!
And he works his way past the line of scrimmage and then slides to a hole. They'll wind up getting right about 4 there on the scramble, and it's 2nd down.
Go, Penny! Oh! Oh! Oh, no! Oh, no! Odell's hurt! Oh, come on, Odell. I just got you on the team, dummy!
Boy, that's Odell Beckham Jr., OBJ, who's hurt it. Boy, you always hate to see injuries, especially tough here in week 1. Just hoping this is nothing serious. We'll take a quick timeout.
Will Disley, touchdown!
Touchdown, Seattle. 3 touchdown passes now for Jimmy Garoppolo. And the Seahawks are able to extend their lead.
Oh, dislocated shoulder. Well, time to put John Ross in.
But if anyone around the league wasn't paying attention to them to start the season, they will be heading into week 2. This has been an impressive week 1 performance. They've certainly announced that they are ready to go. They wanted to send a message out to the rest of the league. You better put your eyes on us. We may be someone you have to reckon with. The kick unit for the Seahawks out there on the field, and we are ready to rock. From a couple yards deep, we'll bring it out of the end zone. And he'll be stopped right around where he would have been had he gone down to a knee, maybe a yard shy of there at the 24. The Broncos onto the field, ready to start their next drive. And no doubt this is not the way that they had hoped to open their season. Thoroughly outplayed here in front of the national audience. Now a dump off here complete. They'll wind up getting 7 on the play, and it'll be 2nd down. Wilson. He'll drop this down to Williams. And able to get this one across the 45 before he's brought down. 17 yards for the Broncos there as they got themselves a first down. There's Wilson. A throw left side, hauled in by Handler. 2 yards on the pickup there, and it'll be 2nd down. From midfield now, here's Wilson.
Let's go, Nick Bosa! Let's go, Nick Bosa! I'm so glad I went and got you off a trade, bro. You were such a big help. I am totally down to give away Diggs, bro. To just get you on the team. Oh, what? How the hell you got that many yards? Oh, they're not going for it. Wow, what a bunch of wusses.
Guard the first down sticks. Don't let them get there. And they rallied and made the tackle. And this will be up to the ruling of the side judge here. He says it crossed out of bounds at the 16-yard line. Coming to the line here to begin their next drive, the Seahawks offense. Well, they don't really need the points here, Charles, given what we're looking at on the scoreboard, but they scored on 3 consecutive possessions.
Let's go, Penny.
They would like to keep that streak going here and continue to pour it on. And things have gotten that way in the NFL, haven't they, partner? Because in the old days, people would, they get off the gas a little bit, right? But now, people continue to accelerate. But we'll see what they decide to do as they come after this one. But the way this game is gone, they've got to be awfully happy with their execution overall. 6 yards on that last play. Here's 2nd and 4. And they'll run it again with Penny.
Ho, ho, ho! If I would have broke away right there with Penny, it would have been another touchdown.
And carries like that, that's how they're going to continue to salt this thing away here, Charles, in the 4th quarter. Yeah, how about that? A new set of downs. Clock continues to move. No better way to close out a game than to tap those mastodons you have on front. Say, guys, keep pounding them. Let's keep the ball, keep their offense on the sidelines, and let's close this one out. 95 yards rushing for now here in week 1. A very solid start to this new campaign. So it's Seahawk football as we march toward a conclusion. They've got a 2nd down now as they look to salt this one away. Penny up the middle. Able to slither
Oh! Penny!
gain of 15, 1st down Seahawks. Well, that's a carry they have to be satisfied with. And throughout this game, they've been satisfied with what he's given them. Whenever they've needed a big run, a 1st down, he's the guy they turn to. And it doesn't matter what the defense thinks. They like they got the confidence to keep handing it to him and keep picking up.
Let's go, Lockett!
Into the end zone. It's another touchdown. This thing is ugly. Now Myers for the extra point. Now this one was over a while ago as he just add on to their big lead. That time a 6-play drive, and it ends with a Tyler Lockett touchdown. The kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. Take it in at the 3. Able to get this across the 20, but not much further as he's dropped at the 23-yard line. The Broncos onto the field ready to start their next drive. And they knew coming in that this would be a tough place to go in and win a season opener.
Oh, what a hit! 27.
Not to be proud of here as they trail big in this 4th quarter. So now 2nd and 10 after the incompletion on 1st down. Now it's Wilson.
Man, Russ can't throw to save his ass right now.
So back-to-back incompletions, and that has him staring at a 3rd and 10. Now it's Wilson. He'll get that complete.
Let's go, Adams!
He will be marked down short of the 1st as they get to him at the 29.
Oh, they actually going for it this time.
Here we go. It's Wilson on 3.
And then Russ just chokes the throw like that. Wow. You know, I'm going to add insult to injury and just take a field goal. Get my kicker a little bit of rep here.
Myers' kick is good. And they will extend their lead even further. We're ultimately not really sure that they're going to need those 3 points, but they'll take the 3 and they pad that lead. Yeah, this one's already wrapped up, but you and I both know. If you're an offensive coordinator, you never let up on the gas unless the head coach tells you to do so. And maybe you've actually clicked it off in your headset so you keep
Let's go!
And they're going to start this drive in pretty good shape as they get it out past the 30. The Broncos onto the field ready to start their next drive. Where we stand right now in the 4th quarter, this one pretty much out of reach. And Charles, I know we're going to be
Jamal Adams killing it in coverage.
The self-inflicted wounds, they've had several turnovers. You have to think that's going to be something they're going to discuss heavily in the film session in the coming days. You're absolutely right about that, partner, because they have to sit that down and watch every error that they made and figure out how to not do it in the future. And mentally, I think a lot of the guys are already starting to think about, okay, how do we put this behind us and get better for the next time out? This, they
What? Oh, he didn't get that imbalance? Oh, if I were the coach, I'd challenge that. Wow, they're not challenging it. Wow.
Now it's Lockett.
Oh, come on, Lockett. Come on, Lockett. Come on, Lockett. Let's go, Lockett.
And they're going to finish this one off strong. It's a return touchdown to add on to their lead in the final stages. Extra point up and through by Myers. And this one was over a while ago as he just add on to that big lead. So after the punt return touchdown, let's see what their opponents can do with this kickoff. And here comes a return from just beyond the goal line.
Oh! They fumbled the ball, and we recovered it. Oh, my gosh. I'm just going to run the clock. I don't want to torture them anymore. I think we've tortured the Broncos enough. I think we told them who's boss.
They got a chance to really increase their lead and put themselves in the driver's seat. On the other side, a little insult added to the injury. They're in a bad spot. Well, fans usually love to see scoring, and there was no shortage.
Let's go!
Showing from an offense that was truly.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please drop a like and subscribe if you want to see some more Madden 23 franchise mode content. Have a great day, guys. Peace!